Carolyn and Uncle Howard.
Oh, okay. Big. I need to
Is
open.
that a rabbit?
Yeah, it is. Let me see. Oh my gosh! A big fluffy pillow. It's a pet. Pillow pet. It's a dolphin. Oh!
Yours is a dolphin?
Yeah, a dolphin.
How does she know?
I can move.
Ainsley, feel this blanket. Oh
That's
my
super
God.
soft.
Give me that. Give me that. No one messing with the pet. Yay! I got a pillow pet dolphin. That's the pet. And if you open it, I was like, what is this?